Everbank Review 2024 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how online banking has evolved in 2024. Everbank promises competitive interest rates, modern banking features, and accessible accounts, but is it really worth considering? The surprising truth is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming online banks are limited. Everbank offers checking, savings, and investment options, all managed through an intuitive online platform, giving users full control over their finances without branch visits. One major advantage is high interest. You won't believe what happens next when you see Everbank savings accounts and CDs often offer rates higher than traditional banks, helping your money grow faster with compound interest. Everbank also provides modern features like mobile check deposit, bill pay, and seamless transfers. Phytic Insurance protects your deposits up to zero, and customer support is available through chat and phone. However, there are cons. Being online only, some users miss face-to-face interactions. Fees for certain services may apply, and navigating investments without in-person guidance may be challenging for beginners. In conclusion, Everbank in 2024 is ideal for users seeking high interest rates, flexible online banking, and modern financial tools. While the lack of branches and potential fees are considerations, the combination of competitive returns, digital convenience, and security makes Everbank a strong option for managing finances efficiently.